Hello everyone, thank you guys once again for joining us. I'm Mengi, M&S BeautyKonzept YouTube channel. If you are joining us for the first time, our YouTube channel is all about beauty, in and out of beauty. We make beauty products review, unboxing of beauty products, DIYs of beauty products, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, all talk about beauty, in and out about beauty. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I acquired these dramatic eyelashes. I fixed these eyelashes. It has been the request of my audience, my community, that I should make a tutorial on how to fix eyelashes. If this is what you want to see, sit back and let's do that. You make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, Thank you guys once again for joining us. I'm your girl Mengi, M&S BeautyKonzept. Thank you. So today's video, I'm going to be giving you a detailed tutorial on how to fix eyelashes. Now I'm just getting up from my bed. My face is still okay, and like I promised, I'm going to be sharing with you my weekly beauty routine on how I care for my skin, DIY product that is coming on the way. With time, I'll be giving another video as well on how to fix the single eyelash, the one hair. But this video today, you're going to be seeing the normal one, the gum to go. So the advantage of this one is you can easily remove it when you want to sleep or when you are done for the day. Maybe you fix it to go to party, to go to outing. When you are back, you can easily remove it. So now I'm going to take my shower and get my makeup done. Then you'll see me when is the time to fix the eyelashes. I think this video is going to help a lot of people there, and let's do it. Thank you once again for joining us. You see, now I've taken my shower and have done my makeup. This is a normal day, so this tutorial is going to show how I fix my eyelashes. You see, without the eyelashes, the makeup can also good to go like that, but sometimes when you are addicted, I can say it's addiction, or I feel eyelashes gives more glam to your makeup, to the look, and it's just depends on what one is used to. Me, I'm used to it. I love eyelash. So now I'm going to bring you guys along. So guys, in fixing your eyelashes, what you need your eyelashes. Depends. This one I'm fixing today is dramatic glamorous eyelashes. I like it like that. You need a twister. The purpose of this twister is to press down the lashes to your eyeliner line. This is a pick. You can use your hand or this one to take the lashes and attach to your eyes. This is eyeliner. You can use a liquid liner or this type, depends on the one you can work with. This is mascara and this is glue. Mind you, when you are using glue, don't use waterproof glue. When you can use waterproof glue on the single eyelashes, the one you can leave for 1 month. Glue, and I'm going to be showing the manufacturer. We need our glue. This is a black glue and this is a transparent glue, so whichever one. Sometimes I prefer this transparent glue because this transparent glue, you just put it there. Mind you, it's not a normal glue. When you want to fix your eyelashes, you get eyelashes glue. For those people live in Germany, it's called Wimperkleber. So it's not normal glue. So I have to make this clear. Not that you go get a glue, then you glue to your eyelashes there, and to take it out would also be a difficult problem. So that is done. So first we're going to do, before you apply anything to your eyes, before you touch your eyes, before you work on your skin, you need your hands to be very clean. So my hands are washed and dry with a soap and warm water, not hot water. So my hands are clean. So I'm taking the lash out from the packet, and this is not the first time I'm using these lashes. I've used it before. It's 100% original hair. So I will also be giving a tutorial on how to take out your eyelashes without damaging your original lash. So first thing you will have to do, you have to get your eyelash curler. You open your eyes, so is to opening the eyes and to straightening the eyelash properly, so that when the eyelash are really straightening and open well, when you attach the fake lash, it will blend easily. It's very easy. If you don't have it, it's not a must. So guys, so first thing you have to do is to apply your mascara. So when you are using a mascara, don't use the waterproof. Don't use the waterproof. Waterproof is that mascara that is not easy to remove. So after applying the mascara, now you apply the eyeliner. The reason for this eyeliner is to give your eyes already the shape you want. And mind you, after you have applied your eyeliner, you make sure you are careful in your blinking. So the eyeliner is already applied. I just want to touch it, and after fixing, when the line is not straight as you wanted, you can still make correction. So after applying your eyeliner, you mind the way you blink, because when you blink, your eyes tack, and your liner is not dry, it will rough your eyeshadow work that you have already done. So now I'm trying to take care till the eyeliner is dry. So on waiting for the eyeliner to dry, you start to apply your gum. Just put a little bit. Now the gum have been applied. I think now is over 1 minute or even longer. So after applying the gum, you leave it down to let a little bit fresh hair come. The purpose of that is to already make it sticky before applying it to your eyes. So now I'm doing for myself. I'm going to use my hand. If I'm making it for a customer, I will use this, but for myself, I will use hand. And anytime you open your eyelashes, when you see there's extra, you measure your eyebrow length. When it's too wide, you cut from the two sides. So now you just, this one I've used it before. I think I'm using this eyelash now for the third time, because I've already cut the shape to the length of my eye hair. So you just attach it like that. Now it's already attached to it. You can use this one now to check if it's really attached. You can still look up. Like I said before, this one I'm using, this is a dramatic eyelash. So now you fix the second side. Second side is already fixed. After applying, and you need your twister, you look like this, you press it down. You see? So you press it down, and when it's down, then you look up, you take your lashes to like blend your mascara, to like blend your real hair to the fixed eyelash. So when you look down and the line is not straight, you take your eyeliner and then you straighten it again. But mine, I'm so satisfied. You see, this is a dramatic eyelashes. You see how the eyelashes have given me a different look. So guys, this is my end look. How do I look? You see what I said in the beginning, like eyelashes will make your look to be more glamour, to add some drama to your makeup and all of that. This eyelashes is really a dramatic eyelashes. So I'll do another video on how to fix eyelashes that will be natural, that will be difficult for someone to tell you fix eyelashes. So that's the end of today's video. I really want to thank you for watching, for joining, for your continual love to this channel. You are all welcome to M&S family. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Your love is awesome. Thank you. Big shakara. Oh my god, I'm so loving it. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I see you on my next video on Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. I remain your girl Maggie, MnSBeautyKonzept. Thank you guys so much. Bye for now. I love you. Thank you. Thank you.